Ladies and gentlemen, there is a brand new competitor for best AI coder, and I think this is the best one by far. It's called Lovable and integrates something called Supabase, and it makes the entire process of building code using AI insanely simple. You can go from idea to fully working app in a matter of minutes, and I'm gonna show you how to do all of that in this video right now. All right, so the app that I'm talking about is called Lovable.dev. You can go to Lovable.dev to start using this right now. I'm gonna show you how to use it. I'm gonna show you what makes this so special. And again, I do think right now this is the best AI coding option out there for you. I've used them all. I've used Cursor, I've used Sonnet, I've used basically every AI coding platform out there. And this one just blew my mind. And I'm gonna show you why in a second. Some really cool things about Lovable is that it basically uses Supabase to do the back end. So what's been a big issue for a long time when I'm coding using AI is that to integrate a database has always been a massive, massive pain. This makes it insanely easy to do that. The other really cool thing about Lovable is that it has templates. So if I come over to the templates tab here, they have templates for everything you want to build, for a landing page, for corporate design, for a modern business, tech company landing pages, SaaS product landing pages, developer portfolios. So this is a brand new app. It's just getting started. So you have some dashboard stuff as well. So it has these pre-built templates that look really, really cool that you can start using right now. They also have some tool templates as well, online marketplaces, blogs, directories, chat interfaces, and modern chat applications. So basically what you can do is you can start with a template and you can start building basically whatever you want. So let's start with the dashboard. Actually, let's start with the landing page. Let's come here. Let's use this SaaS startup landing page. We're going to start building. Let me show you just how easy this is. So I'm going to hit start building, and in a second, it's going to open up the prompt, and we're going to start building this thing up right now. All right, so in a matter of a few minutes here, it went ahead and built this for me. So you can see it's built a fully functioning landing page here. So obviously, this is a bunch of dummy data. So I'm going to say, change the name to, so let's actually build this based off of an actual app that I own, Postcheetah. So this is an AI SEO app. If you're interested in doing AI SEO or doing SEO and you want AI to help you, check out postcheetah.com. I don't really advertise this on my channel, but it is a SaaS that I own that I have been growing and running for about a year and a half now. So if I come here and I'm going to say, change the name to Postcheetah and change the text to promote it as an AI SEO application. Change everything on the landing page to reflect this. So if I was building a new app, I would say, okay, here's the name of the app and here's the idea of what this app is, right? So this is an AWS app, right? This is an AI SEO app. So I'm basically asking it to change all of this text and it should go ahead and do that for me now. So you can see that it's doing that. And if I click here, you can actually see the code that it's building. So again, it's very similar to other ones that you've probably seen me work on this channel. How this works, basically it's building a TypeScript application here, right? And it's running this on their servers. So it's going to build this out for me and it's going to show me the results here whenever that's done. Now, the other super cool thing that I was telling you about is that you can connect Supabase. Now, if you don't know about Supabase, okay, so something's going on right now with Supabase, but by the way, I'm going to make a full video on this in the future, basically, breaking down how to build a full app. I'm going to build an app from start to finish using Lovable and Supabase. I'm going to show you just how easy that is. I'm going to build a whole app. So if you want to see that, definitely subscribe to the channel. You're not going to want to miss that. And if you like this kind of content, you want to learn how to code or you want to learn how to build things using AI, definitely subscribe to this channel. One of the next videos I'm going to do is on AI agents, and you're not going to want to miss that. It's going to be insanely mind-blowing how to build AI agents and what to do with those. So definitely subscribe if you want to see me build apps and AI agents using AI. So, you can see that it's actually done that here for me, right? Postcheetah, supercharge your content with AI, right? It's even put a picture of somebody doing something with AI here, right? Better content faster, AI-powered SEO. It's actually a pretty good landing page. It's not as good as landing page that I paid professionals to actually create for me, right? But it's pretty solid. I mean, if I wanted to come out with an MVP very quickly, I could use this to do that. And you can see, again, the code on the back end, if we wanted to see that, is available to us. And I could go ahead and publish this on the web as well. So I could publicly or privately, depending on my needs, right? And then it opens up their options, $20, $50, $100 a month. I'm using a free version right now. I haven't paid for this at all. So I do want to connect Supabase here. I want to show you how this works. And okay, so here we go. So essentially the way this works, so I'll just create a new Supabase account. I'm going to start this from scratch. All right, right, so I'm gonna connect Supabase here. I'm gonna go ahead and click on Supabase, and if I hit connect Supabase, it's gonna take me to a login page here to log in. So I'm already logged in, so it's going to have me authorize this access, select an organization. So we're gonna authorize Lovable. And I'm just using a free account for this. Obviously, if you have a paid account, you can use more databases with Supabase, but I'm just gonna use the paid account for now. So we are connected. So I'm gonna say connect to a project, and we're gonna connect to this project right here. And we're gonna just go ahead and connect. It says I'm now connecting to your Supabase project. To gather your database structure, tables, and security settings, this may take a moment. So what I'm gonna have it do now is I'm gonna have it create a sign-in to go ahead and connect that database. So I'm not gonna build a full app right now, but I just wanna show you how this works. So essentially what you're doing is you're using this AI software to build whatever you want, and you're basically gonna connect Supabase to build the backend. So to build the database table so that you can have logins, you can store data for your app, right? For whatever it is you want. It's even giving me some options here, right? So your app's now connected to Supabase. You can now work with a fully featured backend, user accounts and login, store and use real data. What's next? So I'm going to say build a login functionality and a sign up functionality for this app and connect it to my Supabase DB. And it's going to go ahead and do that for me. And, I don't have to fuss with having Cursor and connecting that to MongoDB and having it write code that does that for me. It's going to do all of this for me automatically. So very, very, very cool stuff here out of Lovable. And some of the stuff that people are building here has just been absolutely mind blowing. So this is who just won their recent competition. So this guy built this whole app here. So look how complex this app looks. You have an upgrade option, project managers, workspace, chat tools, image tools, video tools. So very, very cool. So he built this whole backend thing here that basically stores all these things for him and allows him to do work and chat with these different models. He built this all with Lovable, right? And he connected this all with Supabase, and it does all this work for him. So it actually creates all these things for him. So pretty cool stuff. This guy here built like an app called Shipmate. So I guess what this does is it helps you with like small tasks. You mentioned like, I want to do, this or that, and it converts your tasks with AI. And then it actually comes in here and you can assign different things using this. So, but again, it's a pretty complex thing to build, right? You have a backend database, you have this app doing all this work for you, new task, brain dump. I'm telling you, with the old way of doing things with Cursor, or even just using Claude Sonnet, importing that into an editor, this would be so much time and so much work. And this new product makes it so easy to do this. This guy built a full weather app. So it just, basically tracks the weather, gives them forecasts. I mean, some people pay for this stuff. So pretty cool. It even has a map. Look at that. Pretty cool stuff. You can share it and everything. So I just wanted to bring this to you. I thought Lovable was insanely cool. So that's going to be it for now. But if you want to watch me actually build a full app using Lovable, definitely subscribe to the channel. Like this video if you like this kind of content, and leave a comment. I'd love to hear what you have to say about where AI coding is going and what the future will be with this technology.